Hey guys, me Jez, part 3 out of 10. I've already done 200 crunches, do my next 100. I'm crazy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Well, I decided that in the space of approximately half an hour, I've done 300 crunches and I'm not ready for 1,000 yet. But subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, and I will work my way up to get to that 1,000. In the meantime, you all take care. Thumbs up again, and subscribe, and you can follow me on Twitter as well. Take care, love you all, bye.